It checks the current stock of the SCS modules on the basis of open orders. Missing amounts are automatically supplied by the mini load. For an intelligent order sequence, the system also considers the capacity utilization of all pick positions. According to the volume of the order, the required type of box is determined and displayed. By scanning of the barcode, order and tray are married to each other. Subsequently, picking takes place in the different areas. Fast-moving A items are handled directly in the menu. The storage and retrieval machine automatically takes care of the replenishment. Picking is done at 6 optimized pick-by-light stations. The heart of the concept are the 24 Schaefer carousels for B and C items. They are split into 4 modules with 2 workstations each. Each SCS offers ideal utilization of space with a much higher pick performance than commercially available systems. At the same time, the new storage system only uses 1/6 of the energy required by a conventional system. The totes are allocated fully automatic at 8 pick-to-tote positions, according to the Blitz command principle. The ergonomic workstation allows for very efficient and, above all, error-free picking.